Yes guys, these are the ingredients and let's just jump right into it. We have our pimento seed, our rosemary, and our bay leaf herbs here. Our salt and pepper, you know that's our mother seasoning, right along with our garlic and onion powder mixture. Walker's wood, guys, if you see that, grab it, it's really good. And our chicken breast.
Alright guys, so right now we're just gonna get right tonight. So we're gonna mix the garlic powder and the onion powder with the salt and pepper.
Yes guys, and we are doing jerk. I know you read the title. Yes, we've done a little Mother's Day jerk chicken catering over our King and Ali, that's our couples channel, and we realized that you guys wanted us to do a next version even though we already have one on this channel. So here you go, we do everything to please you guys. So
and this is a stovetop jerk chicken, guys.
Yes.
Alright, so we're gonna sprinkle the mixture.
Yes guys,
and remember to season from high so it's evenly spread.
Yes guys, get it all up in there. Don't be afraid to rub it up, guys. Rub it up. Marinating your meat is very important. Seasoning and marination, important, right? And guys, after you finish seasoning, you can allow this to marinate however long you have. So
alright, so now guys, we're gonna add some jerk seasoning. So remember, jerk seasoning have a little salt in it, so you have to slightly season it with the garlic powder and the salt and pepper mixture.
Yes.
So you don't want it overpowering or too salty.
Yes guys, or if you want to use the jerk seasoning first, then you can know the amount of salt that you're using. That's fine to do as well.
And remember, this is a stovetop jerk, as I said before, so just take it in, watch what I go on, don't go nowhere.
Yes guys, the other jerk chicken video that we have, that was an outdoor jerk chicken. If I see somebody a jerk chicken on a coal stove, that video, bam, check it out just the same.
Alright, so I made this marinate for 5 to 10 minutes and then we'll just move on to the oil. So forward, don't go nowhere.
So forward. Yes guys, the pot is roaring hot like how we want it, so we're just going to submerge this chicken breast king side down as usual. Yes guys, go and drop in our bay leaf, pimento seed, and that rosemary, nice and aromatic guys. And if you've never cooked with any of these herbs before, please do guys. If you see them, don't pass them. These herbs are very aromatic and flavorful, and they have a lot of health benefits. Go and research it. Yes guys.
So we're going to see what I go on. Next time we'll see what I would like to give this a turn.
Yes guys, we're going to allow this to sear properly. Next time we're going to give this a turn. So forward. Yes guys, it's that time, and it's time for that turn. Look at that, coming along beautiful. The aroma, the kitchen is a perfume to the kitchen. Oh, guys, I'm choking. This is so lovely. I'm choking.
Look at the color, guys.
Yes, and even though it's not on the grill officially, you can still see that char, guys. Look at that. Yes, so forward again. Look at that guys, ready, and it's time for the removal. So ready up your quick thinking and your quick fingers to spam up the comment section. Let's go.
So forward, just come over the plating station with this and watch what I go on. So don't want to be an epicness over this, though. It's got epic, so let's forward.
Yes guys, start dropping them comments, and guys, bear in mind that this is fine dine, right? Even though it's jerk chicken, we have to keep it fine dine, and we have to keep the standards, right? So yes, but if you want it in a more Jamaican fashion, leave that down in the comment section and we can definitely do that for you. Look at that guys, don't worry, pictures will be posted on our Instagram, so be on the lookout for that. Guys, look at that, nice and juicy, and this is so aromatic and lovely, coming along with the other piece. Yes, guys, look at that. Look at that. Remember to follow us on Instagram. And guys, I gave you guys a task the last time to follow us on our chef TikTok. So do that if you're new, right? Alright guys, we're so forward. We're gonna clean up the plate and garnish up when we come back. So forward. Yes guys, and look at that. Plate is all cleaned up and we are going to get along with the show. Yes guys, remember in everything you do, you have to clean up the plate and get it right. Presentation is everything and we are teaching you the ins and outs over here, right? We're teaching you guys everything. Look at that. Lovely guys. We have our event coming up, so be sure to follow us on our couples channel. We'll do a whole sit down video about it over there, so be sure to follow us over there for those updates, right? Yes guys, leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you're a new foodie here, welcome, we appreciate you. Welcome to the family. Hope you love it over here. We have a lot of creative content. Right here. Look at that. Look, just take the time out to appreciate the char, guys. And remember, it's a stovetop jerk chicken and it still has that char, that beautiful char, right? Looking all lovely. Yes guys, I am hearing you guys in the comment section and I love the response that we are getting. Thank you, we really appreciate you guys. Just let us know what you want down there and we will deliver. Yeah, remember, follow us on Instagram. Pictures will be posted over there. Lovely, right? Until next time, bye foodies.
Bang, bang, boom.
Remember guys, give us a call, DM us on Instagram. We can talk all business over there, right?